Now, more and more Chinese cities are heading the national call to provide COVID-19 vaccines to essential workers. And one district in the southwestern city of Chengdu plans to vaccinate all essential workers by Spring Festival. Xinchen has more.
This district in Chengdu is called Xinchen, which literally means a golden bull. And it is adjacent to another district called Pidu, the epicenter of a recent wave of locally transmitted COVID-19 cases in the city. And right behind me, we can see people waiting in line for their COVID-19 vaccines. Right now, vaccines are only being offered to essential workers and people who have a higher risk of contracting the disease. But before they can get the vaccine, people need to answer a few questions. 其实就是如果大家要接种，他第一个先来到您这边，对吗？
对。
您得去了解他的一些问题。
对。
那这个我们具体要了解哪些注意事项？
首先就是说你要先出示你的身份证，要核实你是他本人，哈，这是一个。然后第二个的话，就是我们要看一下你最近有没有什么就是禁忌症。第一个。
Several questionnaires need to be answered regarding things like allergies and medical history, so doctors can fully assess if an individual can take the shot. The temperature inside of this chamber is kept between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and that is a temperature requirement for storing COVID-19 vaccines. And let's have a look. And right here, we have the COVID-19 vaccine that this clinic is using to vaccinate all the essential workers.
过来吧。这个是你的，给你看的哈，自己拿着哈。28岁是吧？今天打的新冠疫苗第一次哈。来，你先看一下哈，你今天打的这个是新型冠状灭活疫苗。好，我先给你看一下。
A second injection is required 28 days after the first. Once vaccinated, patients must be observed for half an hour to see if any side effects arise. I spoke to a few who had gotten their jabs. 意思就是有担心过吗？就是比如说家人支持吗？
还是有一点嘛。毕竟我看还没普遍性嘛，那个疫苗还没普遍性嘛，全部是不是嘛？没普遍性原的这种嘛。
没什么好害怕的。
I'm not afraid. I fully trust our country's healthcare system.
Essential workers in Xinchen district are being vaccinated ahead of the country's biggest travel rush. Also a time when maintaining pandemic control measures will be integral.
这个呢也是按照这个国家和省市。
We're following city and national level requirements for pandemic control. Increasing traffic flow during the Spring Festival might make containing COVID-19 harder. So we decided to vaccinate essential workers so that they won't get infected while working and pass the virus to other people.
The shots are free and only provided to those who are willing to take them. Xinchen CGTN, Chengdu.